Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. I'm sure many of you guys are seeing the title and very confused saying, hey Evan, don't you already have comfort seats? We'll get into that in a moment. But before we do that, I want you guys to check out all of my links down below, the new website, Amazon, all my affiliate links down below, as well as give this video a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. All right, so breaking into the video, why am I upgrading to M5 seats? Really for three reasons. One is merino leather, a lot nicer leather. Two, the comfort seats aren't really that comfortable. The ventilated and massaging ones aren't that comfortable. The M5 ones are actually a lot more comfortable and still have ventilated and massaging features, so we're gonna swap into that. My original comfort seats were super great, so we're gonna swap them. I got a really good deal on them, so we're gonna swap them, see what they're like. I'll give you guys my honest opinion of them. Currently sitting in my old seats. These will be for sale. If you guys are looking to buy comfort seats that are ventilated and massaging, these only have, I think, around 50,000 miles. They're in very, very good shape. I will have them not linked below, but you can message me on Instagram or you can hit me up on our website. I will get back to you there. The price is probably around $300, something super cheap. Just get them out of here. Come pick them up. I'm in Boston. If anyone wants them, drop me a message. I want them gone. So cheap money, 300 bucks. And I got a really good deal on the M5 seats. So yeah, whatever I can get for them, I'll be happy to do. The other thing is this video is not going to be a DIY. I have a full video of showing how these go in. Really today's, we'll probably throw in some overlays of me throwing them in, me sitting in them, giving you my review, comparing them, and we're gonna code gentleman's function. That's not something that I showed you in my other video, but basically I have a new switch that I've had, and I click this number 2 button that you guys can't see that I'll show you in a minute, and I can control the passenger seat all from my seat. So really cool feature. I'm gonna show you guys how to code that when we code in these seats, and yeah, that's about it. So if you guys are looking for install videos of how to install comfort seats, you can go from non-comfort to comfort, and I have coding instructions for that, or you can hit me up and I offer that as a service. But yeah, other video will be linked in the cards above and down below. I already have the back bolts out for the seats, and I have these seat belts just kind of dangling here because they're already undone. But let me show you guys the new seats right now. We'll do a quick overview of my current seats, and then we'll move on to showing you guys the new seats. So let's do that now. Very bright out, but here's a look at the old seats. Like I said, very good condition. I don't really think you can see, but yeah, the leather's in really good condition. These are Napa leather with the white stitching. They look really, really cool. Good seats, but let's see how the new M5 seats look. And here's a look at the new M5 seats. Of course, super good condition. There's just some white stuff on it from the trees around here, but very, very good condition, super happy. And here is a look at the this is the driver, and this is the passenger. Super, super good condition. There's one little thing I need to fix with the stitching on the passenger side. We have to swap over the seat belts. Those are missing, but yeah, let's get the old seats out and get these new ones in. I promise you these look a lot more comfortable, and I've sat in them. I know they're more comfortable, so let's get them in. Seats are ready to come out. They can be tipped back. The last thing to do is to disconnect the wiring harness that's going into it. Always disconnect the battery. Battery's disconnected, and I'm ready to undo the connector. And it's just one connector, thankfully, and super easy. It's a standard BMW tab, so you push in, slide it, and it pops off. The new seats are in. Do have some errors. We're going to work on coding next. But my first impression, these seats have so much more adjustment than my old seats. They move a lot better. They feel a lot better. They're a lot more comfortable, and they're still ventilated and cooled, which is awesome. So we're going to take care of some of the coding. These seats are actually way bigger. They look awesome in the car. I mean, everything else, the car has Napa leather and merino leather, looks basically the same until you touch it. It's a lot softer, but it looks so good overall. So yeah, we're gonna do some coating on them. I did a little touch up with some color lock dye. There's some spots right here that I just fixed, and like right here had some wear, and it looks great. I'll have it linked down below. Color lock is like a direct match to black BMW, so it looks super cool. We got the M logos up there. I don't know if you can see it. We got some good thumbnails of these and some good pictures that we'll throw in the video as well. Now let's take a look at my old seats real quick. As I mentioned, my old seats are for sale. These are the Napa leather ventilated comfort and massaging. They also have the white stitching right here. This is the whole ventilated part. Everything is fully functional. This is the driver's side, a little more beat up. I mean, they're really just dirty. Some dye would actually help fix some of this right here. And yeah, they're in really, like I said, these are in really good shape as well. Nothing wrong with them, work perfectly. I just think they're not as comfortable as the M5 seats. And the only reason why I figured this out is because I was working on an M5 that had them, and I was putting an MBT in them, and I was sitting in them, and I'm like, wow, they were a lot more comfortable. So that's kind of why I went with them, but still a very good option over the standard seats. So if you have standard seats, come pick these up from me, shoot me an offer. Like I said, probably 300, but if you come to me, give me a good offer. I want them gone. Let's get them gone for me. Taking a look right here, errors. So we have driver side, close. We did have passenger side right here. We have passenger and driver side popping up. So both the restraint systems. We're gonna take a look at what's going on. We are actually gonna be using a program called eSys Ultra. It's kind of my new eSys that I use. It's really, really good. Basically, it has all the cheat codes built in. It can read diagnostic codes. You don't need to open up ISTA to check codes. So right now I can just read all my diagnostic codes right now. First, we're gonna factory code these to the car, and then we are going to read errors, make sure there's no errors, and yeah, we'll go from there. So right here we can see seat 1, seat 2, and it even says seat module, and we can see we're missing the CAF file, so we're gonna do detect CAF, and damn, these things are old. Might flash them real quick because they're really old. Yeah, I'm gonna flash them real quick. I will get back to you guys. Then we're gonna flash them to the latest iStep when my car is on, and then we'll proceed with coding them. Okay, so I have to play around to get them to flash. I actually couldn't get them to flash, but what I did do is I went right here, I clicked on the module, I clicked detect CAF, which you usually do, and then I found the most recent CAF, I selected it, clicked OK, and then I came down here, scrolled down. It's already coded, but it would be red, and you click to code, and it did that. So now we're gonna do the gentleman's function. So far these seats are awesome. I did put in the VO code for the seats. It's 4MA, but apparently the comfort seats VO worked too. I just factory coded them, but I just put in the right VO just because I wanted to and because I can. So that is done, and yeah, let me show you guys how to code gentleman's function. So right here, as you can see, I have another button, and it lights up, and I can actually control the passenger seat. It's moving, see? Pretty cool. So it's called the gentleman's function, and as I said, I'd show you how to code it. So basically, you need to just have this panel. This works with any seats. You just need this panel. I'll have it linked down below. Basically, we came up here, we read the ECU, and we have the CAF file. I'm gonna click edit, super easy. We come here, we go to 3000 SM_global, click here, click gentleman. This will be set to, so active is 1, niche active is 0. It will be set to niche active. You set this to active on both seats. You have to read both seat modules, not just passenger and not just driver. And then you just right click and click code NCD. And there you go. You have your gentleman's seats. Super cool, awesome little feature. Highly suggest coding that on any car. It's an awesome feature. If you have an F10 or an F01 or F02, so basically the 5, I think it does the 6 series too. So 5, 6, and 7 series of an F-type, I'd get this. And I think they offer for the G series now too. I'm not sure about that, but awesome upgrade nonetheless. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. It's getting late. I need to go eat dinner. I have these seats. I really want to get rid of my old seats, so someone please take them off my hands. Like I said, message me on Instagram, put an inquiry on the website, comment down below, whatever you want to do. If you want these seats for your F10, I should mention this, they only fit facelift, so late 2013 to 2016 F10s. Maybe they fit F06s, or maybe they fit F01s and F02s. I'm not sure about that. You'd have to check that. I really don't know. But they're for sale, very, very cheap. And what do I think of the M5 seats? Are they worth it? Now, I literally just installed them. I'm sitting in them for the first time. And all I can say is they are a lot more comfortable in my opinion. There's more angle to it, so I have the seat more up like this while I'm sitting, so I'm kind of like back into it. And I'm a tall person, so these seats that they have more adjustment are really good. in my opinion, some people may say they're the same as the comfort seats. I really don't think so. I think they sit different in my opinion, and yeah, I'm super happy with them. They feel awesome. Merino leather, super soft. Did condition them, but we're gonna do a little more conditioning and cleaning tomorrow. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out all of the links down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.